In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Google Sheets background. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Open your Google Sheet, then go to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down, select Alternating Colors. A panel will open on the right side of your screen where you can adjust the settings. In the panel, click the box next to Apply to Range. To apply it to the whole sheet, select the top left corner where the row and column headers meet. You can also highlight specific cells if you only want part of the sheet formatted. Choose a color style from the available options or customize your own colors. If you have a header row, keep the header option enabled so it is formatted differently from the rest of the data. When you are ready, click Done at the bottom of the panel. The background colors will be applied instantly. You can return to the same menu anytime to adjust or change the formatting again. And that's it. Your Google Sheets background is now changed. Thank you for watching the video.